Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's probably been on your mind if you're considering using a tax software like Wealthsimple Tax. Is it actually safe? Now, I know what you're thinking. My taxes? Those are personal. I need to be absolutely sure my information is secure. And you're absolutely right. Filing your taxes is a serious matter. You're dealing with sensitive financial data, income, deductions, credits, the list goes on. So, let's dive deep. We'll explore Wealthsimple Tax's security measures, discuss potential risks, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right fit for you. First things first, Wealthsimple Tax takes security very seriously. Here's what they do to keep your information safe. Encryption: your data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. This means it's scrambled into an unreadable code, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to intercept and understand. Think of it like a secret code only you and Wealthsimple Tax can decipher. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Besides your password, you'll need to provide a unique code from your phone or another device to log in. It's like having a second key to unlock your digital vault. Regular security audits: Wealthsimple Tax regularly conducts security audits to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. It's like a thorough house cleaning to make sure everything is in tip-top shape. Compliance with industry standards: they comply with industry standard security protocols and regulations, such as those set by the Canadian Revenue Agency, CRA, and other relevant authorities. This ensures they meet the highest security standards. But let's be real, no system is completely foolproof. Here are some potential risks to consider. Data breaches: while unlikely, the possibility of a data breach always exists. Even the most secure systems can sometimes be compromised. Phishing scams: be wary of phishing emails or messages that try to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Always double-check the sender's address and never click on suspicious links. Human error: mistakes can happen, even with the best security measures in place. Always review your tax return carefully before submitting it to catch any errors. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Wealthsimple Tax is a personal one. Here are some factors to consider. Your comfort level with technology: if you're not comfortable using online platforms or sharing your financial information digitally, Wealthsimple Tax might not be the best option for you. Your tax complexity: if your tax situation is relatively simple, Wealthsimple Tax can be a great option. However, if you have complex income sources, investments, or deductions, you might be better off consulting with a tax professional. Your budget: Wealthsimple Tax offers different pricing plans to suit various budgets. Enhance your security when using Wealthsimple Tax. Create a strong password: use a unique and strong password for your Wealthsimple Tax account. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthdate or pet's name. Enable two-factor authentication: this is a must. It adds an extra layer of security that can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Keep your software updated: ensure your software and devices are updated with the latest security patches. This helps to close any potential security loopholes. Be mindful of phishing attempts: be vigilant and cautious of suspicious emails or messages. If something seems off, don't click on any links or provide any personal information. Review your tax return carefully: always review your tax return thoroughly before submitting it to catch any errors or inconsistencies. So, is Wealthsimple Tax safe? With its robust security measures, Wealthsimple Tax takes significant steps to protect your information. However, no system is entirely risk-free. It's crucial to be aware of potential threats and take steps to protect yourself. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Wealthsimple Tax is yours. Consider your comfort level with technology, the complexity of your taxes, and your budget. And always prioritize your online security by creating strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and being vigilant about phishing attempts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.